Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last alternate card using elements from the Paper Pumpkin kit from August 2024 called Time for Cake. I have done the Happy Birthday in, I've used the 2 dies from the Just Wanted to Say die set. I think it's in the online exclusives, but it's Just Wanted to Say, and it's got a Christmas one, it's got a Feel Better Soon one, You're Too Kind, and it's got the Happy Birthday, and they've got the shadow and the detail. And the shadow in this one is in Night of Navy, and then I've got the petal pink going on to go with the card base. This is a full card base from the kit and one of the sections of the accordion card, and I've got 2 of the balloons. So this one is going to be super simple and super quick to make. I'm going to put some of the iridescent foil gems on the candles to make the flames. I'm just going to put this down here so it's equal, distant, and then I'm going to kind of place this. It's going to overlap, and the balloons are going to go like this. So what I want to do is I want to take my Night of Navy Stampin' Up, and I am just going to make a little bow here and a tail like that, and then a little bow and a tail like that. Maybe make the little bows just a little bit bigger so that when the balloons sit on them, it looks like they're tied. There we go. Okay. So it's just a couple of strings just to add a little bit. But what I want to do with the balloons is I want to 3D them a little bit. I'm going to dimensionalize them, but so what I'm taking is I've got my my brush and the sponge mat, and I'm just going to take the back of the brush and I'm just going to kind of just press down onto the balloon so it makes it curve a little bit. And you can fix it up with your hands if you want. But I want it to be that little bit it's concave this way, convex this way, just so that I get kind of the more of a rounded shape. And the dimensional will go right in the middle. So then it will look like a round balloon. So that's the plan. So I'm just going to put 1 dimensional in the middle of that one and 1 dimensional in the middle of that one. And then we're just going to pop our Happy Birthday down. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to dimensionalize the Happy Birthday or not. We'll wait and we'll see what it looks like with the balloons. So we've got 1 balloon that goes there like that, and 1 balloon that goes here like this. And then I think I will dimensionalize this. If you've got some linen thread or something like that, you could use that for the strings on the balloons, but I didn't have any that I like the color of with this, so I just used the Night of Navy Stampin' Up marker. So I'm just going to peel the backs off of these. I put some large and some small dimensionals on, and we're just going to stick this down. And again, this is the Just Wanted to Say dies, and I thought that they would be very, very versatile. So we're just going to pop this down like this. So there we've got. And then just like I say, we're going to pop some of these into the candle flames. Just add that little bit of bling. And then I'll probably add some to the rest of the card as well. So yes, definitely getting through the iridescent gems with this kit. And I believe that there's something similar in other kits that we've used in the past that if you've still got them, you could use them as well. So I think that is all the candle flames that we've got there. So I'm just going to pop 1 down there like that. And let's pop 1 here and 1 here, because if we're going to go through the iridescent gems, let's really go through them. So that is our last alternate card using elements from the August 2024 Paper Pumpkin kit. And you can really see how those balloons really have that kind of rounded texture to them. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this series this week, and let's create together again soon.